Hey, this is Chris, and welcome to Winemaker TV. Do you like beer? Do you like wine? Do you like cider? Have you ever thought about making it yourself? Well, this is the place for you. If this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell notification so we'll let you know every time we come out with a new wine and a new video. Today we'll be making a quick and simple wine called Mountain Dew wine, so stay tuned. Hey, this is a Mountain Dew wine we'll be making today. It's just real quick and easy. You need two ingredients. You need two liters of Mountain Dew per gallon. A gallon is approximately 3.7 liters. So two of these will sure do trick, and you'll have a little bit left in the bottom. And the other ingredient you'll need is the Red Star Cuvée, your yeast. I'm using Red Star Premier Blanc. It's in the yellow package. And you'll need a demijohn. And I've already got the Mountain Dew in here because you need the carbonation. You need to be flat. Well, the recipe calls for it to be flat as West Texas. So this has been sitting in this demijohn with this airlock. And two more things you'll need. You need an airlock, you need the bung, and you need your demijohn. So this has been sitting in this demijohn for 3 days, and it's finally flat. So it took me 3 days to get this Mountain Dew as flat as West Texas. So that's your ingredient: gallon of Mountain Dew, your yeast, and this equipment: airlock, the bung, and the demijohn. So let's get started. This is real easy. So all you got to do is add your Mountain Dew to your demijohn 3 days in advance and give it a shake every now and then. Get it agitated a little bit to get that carbonation out. Then after that, all you do is add your yeast. Add that yeast. Look how easy this is. Hand over, give it a little swirl. Add your airlock, and you are fine. And you are done. That's how quick, easy, and simple it is. If you want your wine to start kicking off fermentation a little faster, you can also add some yeast nutrient and yeast energizer. That's just to speed up the fermentation process of the yeast, because it's still acidic because of the citrus, and the yeast it'll work, but it doesn't like the acidic environment as well. So it will work without the yeast nutrient and yeast energizer. It might just take a few more days before it starts kicking off with the fermentation, but it's perfectly fine. I hadn't used it. So if you like this, and if you want to try this yourself, please leave me a comment and tell me how it's going. If you want to see me make anything else, any other types of wine, just leave that in a comment too. And would you also, while you're at it, please hit the subscribe button and the little bell notification so you'll know every time I come out with a new video and a new wine. This is Chris Jackson with Winemaker TV, and that's all there is today.